My lord, in order to
There is a
show the
duty-
actual picture,
there is
my
a
lord.
duty also. No, please don't tell the court that this is all a person requires. 6,16,300 per month. Does anybody spend this much? A single lady for herself? Oh, if she wants to spend, let her earn. Not on the husband. Please tell your client, what is this? You have no other responsibility of the family. You don't have to take care of the children. You want for yourself. You say, I want 6,16,000. That's not the purport of Section 24. And it is not a punishment to the husband that if he is having a dispute with wife to grant 6,16,000. You should be reasonable in telling it. Not that I will tell some figure and it is for the court to give some amount or the other. We will send a loud and clear message to all the
Fine.
litigants
Yes, ma'am.
who wants to exploit the process of the court.
This is
and the
exploitation.
provisions,
This is an exploitation.
My lord, there is
Everything
no,
is
there,
doing.
my lord, here in where the lower court has completely never looked the income of the husband, wherein even the court has presumed, my lord, before that,
Please,
before. No,
we are
no,
not going into all
Ma'am.
that arguments.
Yes,
What I wanted to know is what are your expenditure?
Yes, ma'am.
That you tell the court. I already heard all of you here.
Yes,
Spoke you enough.
For the
Yes.
petitioner food expenses at a residence to meet the same standard of nutritious food which the respondent is having at home. She has not been provided with any food there. She has to manage herself.
40,000 next.
Yes, madam. For the purpose of food, when the respondent compelled to have food outside in few circumstances,
Yes, next.
my lord, for that. And towards the clothes and dress, the respondent is using all the branded clothes wherein one Calvin Klein t-shirt costs around 10,000 per shirt. And per trousers of the petitioner is also entitled for the same, wherein the present petitioner is using all the old dresses itself.
Yes.
My lord, towards the accessories like bangles, sticker, chain, earrings, watches, sandals, slipper, etc., my lord, which is the basic need, my lord, towards it 15,000 per month, my lord. Towards the medical expenses, cosmetics and other expenses, my lord, wherein the petitioner is suffering with the knee joint pain and for which she needs to take the regular medication and physiotherapy treatment. Even she is suffering from high fever, tension, panic attack, for which she need to take regular treatment and medication. Due to the negligent act of the husband, she is not in a position to show it to a good doctor and good hospital, for which, as per the at least 4 to 5 lakhs is needed. And my lord, though the respondent is being, my lord, that is, it's a overall cost, my lord, I have bifurcated to a monthly wise also, my lord, in the second column. Though the respondent is being the school fee, paying the school fee and tuition fee to the children, he has completely neglected to look after the children, always being with them as like a mother, and due to which the petitioner is supposed to.
If at least your client is not understanding it, you should understand and you should advise her unnecessarily with these kind of expenditures that they give. The court gets the impression of the court would be something. What is this? 8, please tell the court. Every month, 60,000, what she will do?
My lord, wherein, my lord, this is the humble request before the court. Will leave to lordship to decide on this.
Reasonably, you should tell.
Allah.
Not about I will. It is like a bargaining. Like you will give 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, and the court will let me give 1 lakh to the. Not the way. You should come before the court with the actual figures. What are all this?
Oh, my lord, wherein I have categorically categorized that these are the needed for her commitment, my lord. And my lord, she is possessing with the loan also, wherein she has to repay that. At that I have produced the document also, gold loan tondi other loan and other hand loans which she has managed and which is deposited to her bank statement by the mother.
You want 6,16,300 per month. Per month as expenses.